The biggest names in the vinyl replacement window industry, the ones spending millions on TV ads and sending salespeople to your kitchen table, are charging you 2, sometimes 3 times what the window is actually worth. And the contractors who install windows every single day already know which brands are worth your money and which ones are picking your pocket clean. This is what most people miss. The vinyl window market is massive, with nearly 60% of all window manufacturers dealing exclusively in vinyl. That kind of competition should drive prices down. Instead, a handful of companies have figured out how to use high-pressure sales tactics, franchise inconsistency, and brand name illusions to separate you from thousands of extra dollars, sometimes tens of thousands, on a single project. The brands that actually deliver, they're quieter. They don't knock on your door. They don't run buy one get one scams to manufacture urgency. They just make a better window at a fair price and let the installers, the people who'd actually have to come back and fix a bad job, do the talking. One brand on this list, coming in at number 2, has been quietly earning loyalty from professional installers for over 75 years, and most homeowners have never heard of them. The brand at number 1 carries a warranty so strong that installers specifically request it by name. And if you're comparing any of these options for 2025 or 2026, the pricing gaps between brands have only gotten wider. Here are 5 vinyl window brands that will change the way you spend your money, ranked from overpriced to absolutely criminal. Number 5, Crystal and Crystal Pacific, the bargain bin window that ends up costing you more than it saves. Crystal markets itself directly to the lowest price point consumers, and there's a real difference between affordable and cheap. These windows are manufactured to hit a price tag, not a performance standard, and they don't offer the energy efficiency or build quality to hold up over 10, 15, or 20 years. They lack the low E glass coatings and argon gas fill between the panes that even mid-range windows now treat as standard, which means you're paying to heat and cool the outdoors from day one. When a vinyl window fails early, you're not just buying a replacement, you're paying for removal, disposal, new installation, and new trim work. That second round of labor alone can run $100 to $500 per window. A window that costs $300 today and fails in 8 years is more expensive than a $600 window that lasts 25. You'll find Crystal in home improvement stores sitting right next to legitimate mid-range options, and nothing on the shelf tells you that you're looking at a bottom-tier product. Installers who encounter these windows 5 years later know exactly what happened. The seals go, the frames lose rigidity, and the energy performance drops off. If you see a vinyl window priced dramatically below everything else on the shelf, that's not a sale, that's a warning. Budget projects and house flips might tolerate Crystal. If you're actually living in that home, you deserve a window that performs for decades, not just until closing day. Crystal tends to fly under the radar precisely because most homeowners have never heard the name, so there's no reputation attached to warn you off. It just quietly sells volume at the bottom of the market, while the bigger brands absorb all the criticism. Number 4, Crestline, the hardware store special that runs out of breath in 5 years. Crestline is another budget brand that lives on the shelves of stores like Menards, offering a 250 and 350 vinyl series that looks attractive on price alone. Even its defenders only recommend it for properties you're planning to sell, which tells you everything about how long it's expected to perform. The vinyl compound doesn't hold up to temperature swings the way mid-range or premium vinyl does. And when vinyl warps, you lose the seal on the insulated glass unit, and when you lose that seal, your heating and cooling bills start climbing every single month after that. Crestline sits in stores where homeowners shop without guidance, so you're comparing prices on a tag with nobody there to say spend another $150 and get something that'll actually last. The best value range for vinyl windows that genuinely perform sits between $600 and $900 installed, and Crestline doesn't live anywhere near that range for a reason. If someone quotes you Crestline for your own home, ask them one question: would you put these in your own house? Watch how they answer. Crestline benefits from the trust you already place in the store selling it, not from any trust it has earned on its own. If this saved you an expensive mistake, be sure to like and subscribe. Number 3, American Craftsman. The big box brand that trades on a name it hasn't earned. It sells primarily through big box stores under the AC50 and AC70 lines, and the name sounds like quality, but the company manufactures a fairly low quality vinyl window. One homeowner ordered the 6500 series for their entire house and described the experience as poor workmanship with a cheaply made product. 3 months after installation, one window broke during a routine cleaning and another had visible material trapped between the panes. 3 months, not 3 years, and that's the kind of failure failure a professional installer would flag immediately, not something you'd expect to discover on your own after paying full price. When you buy from a big box store, you're trusting a retail buyer's decision, not an installer's recommendation. Retail buyers optimize for margin and price point. Installers optimize for callbacks because a bad window means driving back to your house on their own dime. That's why you'll rarely hear a professional installer recommend American Craftsman. If it's the primary vinyl option at your local big box store, ask whether they carry Simonton or Jeld-Wen instead. Many locations stock better brands right on the same aisle, they just don't push them because the margin on the better product is thinner for the store. Number 2. Window World, the franchise gamble where your zip code determines your luck. Window World is America's largest replacement window company, selling and installing over 1 million windows a year across more than 130,000 individual installs annually. That scale sounds reassuring until you understand that every single store is a franchise. The quality of the installation and the responsiveness when something goes wrong depends entirely on who owns the franchise in your area, and you have no way of knowing which one you've got until you're already locked in. The numbers are brutal. Window World holds a 1.7 star rating based on 268 customer reviews on Pissed Consumer, and on Complaints Board, 77% of their 223 logged complaints remain unresolved. On top of that, Window World doesn't manufacture their own windows. They buy from a manufacturer and resell under a private label, which makes it nearly impossible to comparison shop since you can't look up the actual specs under the original maker's name. They're also known for advertising extremely low prices that rarely match the quote you actually receive at your kitchen table. If you're considering them, check reviews specifically for your local franchise, not the national brand, because a well-run franchise and a poorly run one can be night and day under the same logo. Always get 3 to 4 competing quotes because the same job can vary by thousands of dollars between installers. Number 1. Renewal by Andersen, the king of the overcharge, turning your living room into a showroom for a $50,000 sales pitch. Renewal by Andersen is the most frequently complained about vinyl window company in America, and the number 1 complaint by a wide margin is price. High-cost concerns show up in roughly 20% of all reviews, meaning 1 in 5 people who bothered to leave a review felt compelled to warn others about the cost. That's a remarkable share for any single complaint category to hold on its own. The numbers are staggering. One homeowner received a Simonton quote between $6,000 and $9,000 for the same job that Renewal by Andersen quoted at $24,000. Roughly 3 times the cost. Another was quoted over $30,000 for 12 windows, with a salesperson who wouldn't leave until they signed. A BBB complaint from April 2025 described a quote of $52,000 for windows and doors. You're not getting 3 times the window, you're getting 3 times the sales operation, and the quality doesn't always justify the premium either. One consumer paid nearly $32,000 for 10 windows and a sliding door, and 2 years later, cold air was coming through in the winter and insects were getting in during the summer. If you consider buying this, let us know in the comments section. Aggressive or misleading sales tactics appear in roughly 15% of all reviews, including the call the manager trick, where a salesperson presents a shockingly high price and then pretends to negotiate with a supervisor to make you feel like you're getting a deal. Buy one get one offers are a major red flag too, because quality windows are expensive to manufacture, and any company giving them away free is either using substandard materials or inflating the base price to cover it. If Renewal by Andersen is on your list, get quotes from Simonton and Jeld-Wen for the same project first, and walk in with those numbers already in hand. If a salesperson won't give you a written quote to take home and compare, that alone tells you something worth knowing before you sign anything. Now the 3 brands worth every penny. Jeld-Wen is your value play. At around $322 per window in the 2025 survey, they ranked among the least expensive options on the market, and their V4500 series consistently earns strong homeowner reviews for energy efficiency and durability, with owners reporting these windows holding up well beyond the 5-year mark. Consumer reports included Jeld-Wen in their wind and rain resistance testing alongside the biggest names in the industry, and their wide availability through major home improvement retailers makes them easy to source. When you're shopping Jeld-Wen, look for lines that include low E glass with argon gas fill as standard. The specs will list a U factor and an R value, and both numbers matter more than the brand name on the label. Jeld-Wen delivers legitimate quality at a price that doesn't require a second mortgage, and it's often the brand a contractor suggests first for a straightforward replacement job where you don't need anything exotic, just a window that performs reliably for what you're paying. If you find yourself comparing Jeld-Wen against brands like Milgard or Marvin at a similar price point, Jeld-Wen's nationwide availability and part support generally give it the edge for most homeowners. Pella is your premium play, but only in their wood-clad lines. Founded in 1925, Pella has built a reputation as one of America's most trusted window brands, and over 83% of homeowners who recently installed Pella windows reported being very satisfied with installation quality. They were the first to introduce windows with blinds between the panes and have kept innovating with smart home compatibility. But here's the caveat: experts specifically recommend avoiding Pella's vinyl and fiberglass series. Most companies struggle to make more than one type of window really well, and Pella's strength lives in their high-end wood-clad product. Shopping vinyl? Look elsewhere. Shopping premium wood-clad? Pella earns its price, and that distinction matters more than the brand name itself, because a great reputation in one product category doesn't automatically transfer to another one under the same logo. Simonton is your do-everything, sleep-well-at-night choice. Founded in 1946, Simonton has been building vinyl windows for over 75 years and holds Energy Star certification and AAMA Gold Label status, meaning rigorous third-party testing for both durability and energy performance. They're also rated by the National Fenestration Rating Council, so every window comes with verified U-factor and R-value numbers. You can actually compare against competing bids. They earn 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 170 homeowner reviews, with windows priced between $200 and $1,200 depending on the line, from the Daylight Max slim frame design to the Stormbreaker Plus Hurricane rated series. Their warranty is the reason installers request Simonton by name. It's transferable to the next homeowner and comes with fewer strange exemptions than competitors, and that peace of mind is worth more than any brand name on a window frame. It's the brand you buy when you want the whole process, sales, install, and the years afterward, to be boring in the best possible way. Let us know if this video helped you in any way. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments section. Your experience may very well prevent someone making an expensive mistake. If you've made it this far, you've just learned something most people never will. The vinyl window market has been designed to confuse you, pressure you, and separate you from your money. And the brands with the biggest advertising budgets are often the ones delivering the least value per dollar. The pattern holds across almost every entry on this list. The loudest brands lean on scale, franchise reach, or a name borrowed from a different product line, while the ones actually worth your money let the installer's recommendation do the talking instead of a salesperson at your kitchen table. Before you sign anything, get at least 2 competing written quotes for the exact same specs. Ask directly what the warranty does and doesn't cover, and if a number ever drops just because you hesitated, that's not a discount. That's a sign the original price was never real to begin with. The best window isn't the one with the biggest ad campaign or the sharpest dressed salesman at your kitchen table. More often than not, it's the one your installer actually trusts, sitting there waiting for you to ask the right questions. If you want to learn about other ways to avoid expensive mistakes, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We release videos weekly on topics that save you money and get you out of sticky situations. See you in the next life-saving video.